Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a villa that sits on a picturesque half-acre property, offering breathtaking views of the sea from nearly every corner. This property gives direct sea access, allowing you to enjoy the Caribbean waters just steps from your doorstep. There are two buildings on this property. Each complement the tropical lifestyle of Jamaica. The smaller building is cozy and comfortable, featuring two spacious ensuite bedrooms, a living room, kitchen, and dining area, which flow to create an open and inviting atmosphere. A charming patio of the living area offers a serene space to relax while taking in the beautiful garden and the sea views. The larger building has four ensuite bedrooms, ensuring comfort and privacy for all guests. A kitchen and a dining room, which blends seamlessly onto the patio, perfect for hosting family and friends, with the blue of the sea as your backdrop. From the pool deck, the sea views are nothing short of spectacular, creating a sense of tranquility and escape. There is a rooftop space atop the larger building, which offers a unique vantage point, perfect for ship watching and stargazing. Located on Dairy Road in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, Ocho and Montego Bay is 45 minutes drive away. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1.2 million or Jamaican $184.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.